Hey guys, it's Nolan Miller here from Windsor Chrysler SuperStore, and I'm about to tell you about these hot deals for the month of Ram. For the month of Ram, we are offering a $500 gas card, 2 free years of oil changes and tire rotations, and up to $5,000 off for select owners. This is all on in-stock units. You could claim yourself this bad boy right here, Warlock Night Edition, with heated seats, heated steering wheel, nav, the whole 9 yards. Come on down, come see me, Nolan Miller at Windsor Chrysler SuperStore, and have yourself a great day.